Guava plant to fruiting stages. 3 to 8 months, seedling are established and begin to grow, forming multiple branches. 8 to 14 months, the plant reaches the maturity, developing larger leaves and woody stems. 14 to 18 months, white flowers with prominent stamens appear on the plant. 18 to 24 months, fruits ready to harvest when they ripen, turning yellow-green in color. Guava fruit offers numerous health benefits due to its rich nutrient profile. It's a good source of vitamins, especially vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Guava is also high in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. It contains potassium, which supports heart health, and antioxidants that protect against cell damage. Additionally, guava has been linked to improved blood sugar control and may even help with weight management.